Welcome to this Canva tutorial where I'll show you how to create vertical text in Canva using two different methods. So let's dive in. Canva doesn't offer a direct vertical text tool, but we can still achieve this effect with a couple of workarounds. To start, add text from the Text tab and type out the word or phrase you want to make vertical. Method 1. For the first method, you'll need to add paragraph spacing manually. Press the return or enter key after each letter to space them out vertically. However, this method can be cumbersome if you have many letters. Method 2. Alternatively, you can click on the left or right side of the text box and drag to narrow the text width. This method provides a quicker way to create vertical text by adjusting the text box's width. Once you have spaced out the letters, adjust the line spacing in the spacing settings to bring the letters closer together and ensure proper alignment. Make sure to set the alignment to center to vertically center the text and align the letters correctly. After aligning the text, feel free to customize it further by tweaking the font size, text box size, or overall placement to match your design preferences. And there you have it. You've successfully created vertical text in Canva using two different methods.